Studio 209.
Welcome to the Deliberation Room in Stockton. My name is Melanie. I'll be your bartender today, and we are going to be making a firecracker. We're going to put 3/4 of vodka in each one of our glasses. We are doing it separate because when we make our drink, we're going to be layering it, and we can't mix that all in one cup. Then you're going to be also doing the same thing for each one of these, the blue Curaçao, the grenadine, and the cream in one of these glasses. We do it in 3 separate glasses because we are gonna layer this drink. It is gonna look just like an American flag. Add some ice into our glass. And then we're also gonna fill these with ice and shake them. So now we're gonna start the layering. It's always good to use a spoon when you're doing it. Any spoon you can use, but here at the bar we do have the long ones. So we're just gonna hold it upside down against the edge and we're gonna slowly pour the red. We're gonna do the same thing with the blue. If you add the red on top, it's just gonna sink to the bottom. And then the white. And there you go, now you got a firecracker. This is a very easy drink to make at home if you wanted to, but also you can just come down to the Deliberation Room in downtown Stockton and have us make it for you ourselves. We also have a 4th of July party coming up June 30th. It's gonna start at 9 p.m. We're having a pinup contest for our customers, and we will be making this drink for everybody that night.
Well, that does it. Another episode of Studio 209 is in the bag. Big thanks to the Deliberation Room in Stockton for showing us how to make a firecracker. And I know when 4th of July rolls around in less than a week, I'll be making 1 or 2 of those bad boys myself. Now, we'd also like to thank our sponsors, the City of Turlock Municipal Services and Turlock Christian Schools. So let's check out what they have to say right now.
The drought may be officially over, but water conservation is still important, especially here in Turlock where we rely solely on groundwater. So as the weather warms up and sprinklers are turned on, remember that the City of Turlock limits watering to 2 days per week. Homes with even-numbered addresses may water on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Odd-numbered addresses may water on Wednesdays and Sundays. And watering is prohibited between the hours of 9 a.m. and 7 p.m. For more information on the city's watering schedule, visit the City of Turlock website at www.cityofturlock.org.
Turlock Christian Elementary School gives students both the academic and spiritual footing that will impart true meaning to everything they learn. Our academic curriculum is enriched by Bible classes, Meet the Master's Art Program, music, robotic engineering, computer classes, and film production. Classes are taught by certified caring teachers with a Christian worldview, which allows each child to develop their God-given talents and abilities.
Thanks again to our sponsors for supporting Studio 209. Now, if you want to support us as a viewer, make sure you go check out Studio209.tv and please subscribe to our dedicated YouTube channel. But don't just subscribe, also click that notification bell so you get notifications for all our new episodes. And if you're on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, please follow us at 209 Magazine. So until next week, I'm Frankie Tovar. We'll see you Thursday.